If you've ever seen a pop-up saying, "Congratulations, you are the 5 billionth Google search," and got redirected to Modanova Shop, you're not alone. But is it a real or just another online scam? Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available research and personal opinion. Modanova Shop, found at modanova.com, looks like a normal online store. It has a valid SSL certificate, it's marked safe by DNS filter, and according to Scam Advisor, the site has a relatively high trust score. On the surface, it doesn't seem harmful, but the red flag here isn't just the store, it's how you land on it. Many people report getting redirected to Modanova through those fake Google 5 billion search. These kinds of ads are notorious for leading users to sketchy or scammy promotions. And while Modanova itself may not be flagged as a scam, using deceptive pop-up tactics to get traffic is definitely shady. Plus, there are no verified reviews on Trustpilot or any real customer feedback, making it hard to tell how trustworthy the shop truly is. So is Modanova legit? Technically, the site appears safe, but the way it's advertised raises serious trust issues. If a site uses fake rewards to lure you in, it's a good idea to steer clear no matter how legit it looks on the surface. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.